Emma Watson is a well-known actress and activist who has gained widespread fame for her roles in the Harry Potter franchise and more recently in films such as Beauty and the Beast and Little Women. Watson has always been admired for her talent and dedication to her craft. But she is also known for her dedication to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In order to maintain her health and well-being, Watson follows a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. She avoids processed and sugary foods, opting instead for healthier options like nuts, seeds, and avocado. Watson has also been known to enjoy a glass of red wine in moderation, as it is believed to have heart-healthy benefits. In addition to her healthy eating habits, Watson also makes an effort to stay active and fit. She has been known to participate in a variety of physical activities, including yoga, Pilates, and weight training. Watson has a particular love for running, cycling, and hiking, which helps her stay in shape and maintain her overall physical health. Watson is also a believer in the benefits of regular exercise for mental health and has been known to prioritize staying active as a way to manage stress and maintain a positive outlook. By following a healthy diet and staying active, Watson is able to maintain her health and energy and serve as an inspiration to others who are looking to do the same. In addition to her healthy diet and active lifestyle, Watson is also known for her dedication to natural and organic beauty products. She has been known to use natural oils and creams to keep her skin looking healthy and radiant, and she makes an effort to remove her makeup before going to bed to allow her skin to breathe. Watson is also a fan of using natural remedies for skin care, such as honey and coconut oil, which are believed to have a number of benefits for the skin. By using natural and organic products, Watson is able to care for her skin without exposing it to harsh chemicals, which can be harmful and drying over time. Watson is also known for her commitment to leading a sustainable and environmentally friendly lifestyle. In addition to using natural beauty products, Watson has also made an effort to reduce her carbon footprint by choosing environmentally friendly modes of transportation and using reusable water bottles and shopping bags. By being mindful of her impact on the environment, Watson is able to live a more sustainable and responsible life, which is something that she feels passionately about. Overall, Emma Watson's dedication to her health, figure, and beauty routines is evident in her beautiful appearance and positive energy. By following a balanced diet, staying active, and using natural products, Watson is able to maintain her health and beauty and inspire others to do the same. By prioritizing self-care and sustainability, Watson is able to live a healthy, happy, and fulfilling life, which is something that we can all strive for.